Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let's see how to make the hollow eyes. I have applied the concealer and even blended it. Now taking a shade and started to blend it on the crease line. Here this you can see the shadow has been blending. Now I have taken a brown shade. So once blending is done, we will make it a bit darker. We'll be getting the shade one shade darker of the previous shade and start blending it so that we get a very nice look from the base. So here you can see I'm blending it. Now one more shade a bit darker. So, yeah, so keep blending it, blend it till you get nice base for the eye makeup. Yeah, you can see the first step and now there is much difference. Now I'll be using a pink color shade on the lid area so that I get a nice enhanced pink look, and on the crease line you can see brown. So there's a difference between the crease line and the eyelid, so that has been shown there clearly. The pink shade is on the eyelid, the brown shade is on the crease line. Excuse me. Okay, once this is done, I would be going with the shimmer. The shimmer is also the pink shade. So here you can see I'm applying the shimmer all over the eyelid actually, because we are going for a hollow look. So now you can see I'm applying the glitter using a flat brush. First take a makeup fixture or anything, spray it on the brush and then pick the product. Whenever you do this, the product gets nicely applied onto your eye. It doesn't fall off. Okay, so almost done. So now you can see I'm just checking if there is no empty space left there and completely applying the shimmer. Once shimmer is done, we'll go with the eyeliner. So you can see I'm applying almost all over the eye, as it's a hollow eye look. So you know, hollow eye look, the shimmer would be applied all over the eye. So my model eye, you can see it's a nice big eye, so you'll be able to do lots of color. Here you can play with good colors, but as today's look was for the pink hollow eye, so I have only used 2 to 3 shades, and you can see such a beautiful eye look. Now we'll go with the eyeliner. So very important thing with kajal or eyeliner, when you apply over the eyelid, always start from the center, never start with the tips. Whenever you apply, always remember the product when you pick from the kajal pot, excess kajal would be there on the brush. So whenever you try to start from the starting, the excess product will come on the eye, beginning of the eye, that would even smudge all over the eye. So it's always better to start with the center. Now you can see, as the minimum product is left on the brush, as I go to the corner, there is no harm because there will be very less product. Whereas in the starting, the product will be more. If I go with the starting of the eyelid, then it can smudge the whole eye look. Now almost I'm done with the kajal as well, just trying for the wing, and you can see it's blending the kajal. Now once this is done, we'll be applying the eyelashes and the mascara. So I have missed the eyelashes part, so directly next I will be going to the mascara. So here I'm applying the mascara. So you can see I applied the eyelashes, but it's just at the corner because already the model's eyelashes are very long, as well as you can see it's nice dark. That's the reason I have just applied at the edges And here is a final look. Hopefully you guys liked it. You can see the wing, you can see the shape of the eyeshadow, you can see how pink it is, you can see the shimmer is also pink. Hopefully you guys really liked it. If you guys liked it, please do subscribe to my channel. Let me know if any other type of eye look you want to see. I'll keep posting on the same channel. Please do follow, like and subscribe. Here is the final look. Hopefully you guys liked it. Thanks. Bye bye. Please keep watching. Please do subscribe and like. Bye.